Hi everyone. Today we are going to be looking at reciprocals. These are numbers whose numerators and denominators have been inverted. The numerators and denominators have been inverted. Take for example, you have A over B. So what we are saying here is that the numerators and the denominators have been flipped. So that means the A, which is the numerator, becomes the denominator, comes to the bottom, whereas the denominator, which is B, goes to the top. That means the reciprocals of A over B becomes B over A. Okay, so let's look at a series of examples right here. Let's say we have this number 1 over 7, and you have been asked to find the reciprocal of 1 over 7. Reciprocal of 1 over 7 means flip this fraction. Make 1, which is the numerator, to go to the bottom, and then 7, which is the denominator, goes to the top. So there is a flip right here. So that means that your reciprocal becomes 7 over 1. Okay, let's look at another example. You have been asked to find the reciprocal of 1 over 5. What is the reciprocal of 1 over 5? The reciprocal of 1 over 5 is going to become 5 over 1, because the 5 goes to the top and the 1 goes to the bottom. So that's 5 over 1. Let's look at another example right here. 7 over 9. 7 over 9, you want to find the reciprocal. Again, 7, which is the numerator, goes to the bottom, right? It goes to the bottom, and then, 7 right here goes to the bottom. 7 goes to the bottom right here. Okay. Seven goes to the bottom right here, and then 9 goes to the top. So the reciprocal of 7 over 9 is what? 9 over 7. Another example, 11 over 21. What is the reciprocal? Again, the numerator goes to the bottom, denominator goes to the top, right? So in that case, it's going to be 11 goes to the bottom, 21 goes to the top. That means that the reciprocal of 11 over 21 is 21 over 11. I believe you are getting that concept. Let us look at more examples right here. I have 59 over 71. What is the reciprocal of this? 59 goes to the bottom, right? And then 71 goes to the top. That means that the reciprocal of 59 over 71 is 71 over 59. Let's look at another example right here. In this case, we are going to be having a mixed fraction. Remember, in one of our videos, we explained how to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So the first thing you want to do here is to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So 2 whole number 1 over 3 gives you what? Let us do that. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is 7 over 3. What we have done right here is to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction first. Okay, now the next thing is, what is the reciprocal of 7 over 3? That is going to be 3 over 7, because 7 goes to the bottom and 3 goes to the top. Okay, let us look at one more example using mixed fraction. 7 whole number 2 over 3. Let us convert these. Let us find the reciprocal of these. The first thing you also want to do here is to convert this to an improper fraction. How do we convert this to an improper fraction? This is going to be 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So I have 23 over 3. Now the next thing is to convert 23 over 3 to, the next thing is to find the reciprocal of 23 over 3. Now the reciprocal is going to be 3 over what? 23. That is that. That is easy. I hope you understand that concept right there. Okay, one thing you also need to know is the fact that a reciprocal is also referred to as a multiplicative inverse. A multiplicative inverse, which is one of a pair of numbers that when multiplied together equals 1. What is this talking about? This is saying that when we multiply a number by its reciprocal, we get 1. Let us look at what we are talking about right here. I have a number right here which is 1 over 7. If I multiply this by the reciprocal, we just learned reciprocal, right? So what is the reciprocal of 1 over 7? That is 7 over 1. If you multiply this together, you realize this gives you 1, because 7 can go here is 1 and 7 can go here is 1. At the end of the day, what you have is 1 times 1 is 1 over 1 times 1 is 1. So your final answer right here is 1. So what we are saying right here is when you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you get 1. Let us look at one more example right here. 111 over 500. If I'm going to multiply this by its reciprocal, we are going to be having 500 divided by 111, right? So you can say 111 cancel here 1, 111 here is 1. 500 the 500 is 1. 500 the 500 is 1. If you look at this, your final answer is 1 right here. I hope you understand these concepts. One other thing I want to bring to your attention is that you can also be asked to find the reciprocal of a whole number. Let's say 7. If you're asked to find the reciprocal of 7, what will that give you? Take note that 7 itself means 7 over 1, right? So that means the reciprocal is going to be, just flip this fraction, is going to be 1 over 7. Also, if you're asked to find the reciprocal of 121, all you have to do is to first of all recognize that 121 is the same thing as 121 over 1. Then that means that the reciprocal is going to be 1 over 121. I hope you understand these concepts. Alright, I would encourage you to go practice more questions on this. And then we are going to be using these concepts in our next class in the division of fractions. Alright, see you in the next class.